This segment is brought to you courtesy of Caribbean American Weekly, a newspaper owned and operated by Caribbean Americans. Read the latest edition at www.cawnyc.com. That's www.cawnyc.com. To like us on Facebook, to advertise or to subscribe, visit us at www.cawnyc.com. That's www.cawnyc.com. To advertise with the Caribbean American Weekly publication for freelance assignments to distribute at your business place, visit us at www.cawnyc.com. That's www.cawnyc.com. Or to meet a marketing representative at our office, call 718-771-0988. That's 718-771-0988.
Today we have a special guest who has been keeping the spirit of Trinidad alive in New York for over 12 years. He's the driving force behind one of the most anticipated cultural celebrations in the Caribbean diaspora. It's none other than Mr. Kendall, the man behind John John Day. Welcome.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here one more time.
Whether you're in Trinidad or New York, John John Day is where the vibes, the culture, and the community come alive. So, Mr. Kendall, first off, 12 plus years, incredible. Can you take us back to the beginning? What inspired you to start, John John Day in New York?
I think it stemmed from a number of requests from former villagers, expatriates of John John, who would meet more often at funerals for somber, sad occasions to celebrate people's passing on. They wanted something more. They wanted a happy occasion to meet and an occasion whereby they can celebrate one another. And that's how John John Day was born.
Yeah, the community and the one love. For those who may not know, what exactly is John John Day and what does it represent in Trinidadian culture?
So John John is a village on the outskirts of Port of Spain in the foothills of Laventille. One of the areas of Port of Spain where we can be described as a challenged people. We were not the most fortunate, we were not the most wealthiest, but we knew the art of survival. And John John, as we say, was in the belly of Port of Spain. It's that area where the carnival developed, where it was steel pan was born. So there was some importance in John John, but it was not being recognized. So John John is in the outskirts of Port of Spain.
And seeing as you said, it has not been recognized. Over the years, how have you seen the event growth and evolve in New York? Any standout memories?
Of course, for the years, this is our 15th John John Day.
Wow.
And we started off as a village celebration. And now we are community celebrations.
Wow.
People from all walks of life, all areas of Trinidad and the Caribbean are part of our celebration. Because it's not just our day anymore. It is John John and friends.
Right.
We are rewriting a narrative.
That's great, honestly. Bringing everybody together, not just for the community alone, but for all around, to just introduce the younger generation as well to their history, I would say. Can you tell us what people kind of expect this year? What are the highlights, music, food, performances?
Well, I'm so happy to do that. This, our 15th year, the theme for this year comes from the ever popular Sound of Music. It's entitled "The Hills Are Alive with the Sound of Music." You remember when Maria ran into the hills of Salzburg, Austria, and she sang that beautiful song? And that's the joy that we are bringing to the community. We are filling the park, we are ensuring that our day is filled with the sound of music. Music not coming just from anywhere or anything. We are the home of the steel pan. The late Winston Spree Simon lived and developed pan in John John. He died in John John. His family resided in John John, and some of them still live there. So we are going to be ensuring that that sound is heard. Also, our greatest institution that existed in our village, the former Carib Tokyo Steel Orchestra, now Tokyo Steel Orchestra, after 21 years of struggle, 2 years ago, they have been able to rally themselves together with the help of foreign nationals and local community members, as well as the Trinbago community of Trinidad and Tobago, to be heard again. They have entered competition for the last 2 carnivals, and
That's great.
a band of us from here left to go down to support them in different stages of the competition. Their first entrance, they were 9th. Their second entrance, they were 5th. So things are happening. The sound is being heard. The hills are alive.
The hills are alive indeed. And why is it important, especially for the younger generation of Trinbagonians in the diaspora, to attend and be a part of an event like this?
Because we need to know and share our history.
Yeah.
For too long, people have taken us for granted, have treated us marginally, and has looked down upon us. It is often said nothing good can come out of John John. But we are showing them, we are rewriting the narrative. We were once a people where people didn't want to associate it with because we were bad people, we from a bad place. But now we have something to offer. Even though we were poor, we knew what love was and love is. Even though we were poor, we knew community. We understood the importance of family, of the village to raise the child. We understood the importance of having social institutions to rally the community together and to support the community in difficult times. We know who we are. We have been able to refuel and to instill in the younger generation, hey, this is how we began and this is where we are at now. So we are handing you the baton to take us to that other place, to that greater, higher place.
That's great, imparting in the younger generation, because, we are the future. Yes. We know that you always bring the vibes, the heritage, the love. So give us the details. When and where is John John Day happening this year, and how can people join in?
So John John Day will be at Prospect Park in Brooklyn on Sunday the 13th of July. We always meet on the second Sunday in July. That's the tradition. And at around, we try to start at 1 p.m. so that the foreigners, the people coming from outer town, the outer state, they can get the opportunity to ride in and to settle in and to set up themselves. But at 4:30, we make a grand entrance. And the Von Trapp family of John John will be entering at 4:30, complete with the 7 Von Trapp children.
Right.
The nun from the monastery.
Okay.
I'm telling you the thing.
Yeah.
Captain Von Trapp himself is here.
Okay.
You remember that scene in the movie where Maria unhung the tapestry and made clothing for all the children? So we'll reenact that scene. We'll be in our tapestry entering.
I could only imagine.
With a marching band.
Hey.
With one of our traditional Juve characters, because we are Juve people as well. So we always infuse the culture into our John John Day. So people look forward to what they come in with this year. And this year, our color is blue. When you were a child, they would have said, blue, blue, God loves you. But we bringing this love back into the community. We're wearing all shade of blue because different shades of blue speak different things. And we are all different people. So we bring in something different to Prospect Park as we usually do. And the sound of music is going to be coming from our very own Philadelphia Pan Stars, who are going to journey down to Brooklyn. And they have been coming down year after year because that band was born in John John. He originally called the Spree Simon Harmonics, and that was the only steel band in our community that was able to win a pan round the neck panorama.
Oh, wow.
They were a champion years ago with a song called A Wine is a Wine. So come and give us a wine Sunday the 13th of July.
I hope y'all are excited as well, because with that introduction just now, I know Trinidadians, we don't miss. Mr. Kendall, thank you so much. For everyone listening, whether you're in Trinidad or right here in the Big Apple, John John Day is calling. Don't miss it. Come out and celebrate John John Day with us. Bring your flag, your family, and come feel the culture. John John Day is so nice. John John so nice? They named it twice.
Yes.
So July 13, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., Prospect Park, Brooklyn, on the Park Side entrance. Be there or be square.
This segment was brought to you courtesy of Caribbean American Weekly, a newspaper owned and operated by Caribbean Americans. Read the latest edition at www.cawnyc.com. That's www.cawnyc.com. To like us on Facebook, to advertise or to subscribe, visit us at www.cawnyc.com. That's www.cawnyc.com. To advertise with the Caribbean American Weekly publication for freelance assignments to distribute at your business place, visit us at www.cawnyc.com. That's www.cawnyc.com. Or to meet a marketing representative at our office, call 718-771-0988. That's 718-771-0988.